Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I'm just going to talk you through the gentle steam feature and how to use the water tank on our air fryer models. So I've got here the NFCC 500 and essentially the gentle steam feature is a really cool feature that allows moisture to be pumped into the food while it's being cooked to help keep all that moisture inside but maintaining a crispy exterior. So before you use it, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the water tank on your air fryer is topped up. You can access the water tank from the rear of the product, and you can take the lid off here, and basically you want to fill the water to the line on the back of the tank. We recommend using filtered or purified water if you have it. Once you've filled that up, you place the lid back on and return it to the area at the back of the product so it's nice and flush at the top there. And now we'll turn the product on and we'll actually use the gentle steam feature. So it is actually enabled by default for almost all the cooking modes. The modes that it isn't enabled for are pizza, dried fruit, pies and toast. So all other features it is enabled by default. So if we were to choose the chicken cooking mode, for example, you can see there in the window that there's a water droplet icon already showing. If we want to disable the gentle steam feature, we press the plus water button and the water droplet icon disappears. That means no gentle steam feature is going to be used at all. Just re-enable that, and there it is. Once you've finished using the gentle steam feature and your food is cooked, make sure you long press the plus water button, and that's going to remove any residual moisture from the pipes so the product is ready to use again. If you've got any further questions, please check the operating instructions or get in touch with the team. Thanks very much.